Welcome to the Harrison Avenue School Library Media Center Open House Program. My name is Ms. Heller, and I am your library media specialist. I work in the library with my teaching assistant, Ms. Greco, and we are both here to help your children. During this program, we'll talk a bit about our library media program. We'll look at book borrowing for this year, and we'll end with some contact information in case I can be of further assistance. Our library is a wonderful place. It's the place for our students to be able to read and enjoy books, to engage with technology, and of course, to have fun while learning. Our goal is to create lifelong, independent learners. And we do this by creating a program that has 3 strands. The first strand talks about digital citizenship, and we look at issues involving ethics and, of course, cyber safety. Our second strand refers to informational literacy. We learn about research, and we practice evaluating and synthesizing information. We also include a strand for literature appreciation. We conduct genre studies and learn about different authors and discuss how to select a just right book. Within each strand, we embed different technology skills. We know students learn best when they are able to make connections, and we connect technology to each strand in our library media program to enhance understanding. All students attend library in person once every 6 days. We learn in the room adjacent to the library, and then students are invited into the library itself to borrow books. Students are asked to bring their device and headphones to each library class. You can help them by reminding them at night to make sure their device is charged and packed. We use technology in every library lesson. Our kindergartners, first and second graders are on Seesaw. Our third, fourth, and fifth graders are on Google Classroom. Each portal contains our Zoom link in the event that library must be held virtually. This is a sample class schedule. It can be found in your child's portal. It will show the letter day that your child attends library, the time that your child attends library, and then the information if your child needs to zoom into the library. Class link is a very important part of accessing school resources. Your district technology specialist will have sent you an email with your child's username and password through Google, and by entering class link, either the app on an iPad or by clicking a new tab on a school device, your child can access resources such as BrainPop or Pebble Go, or in grades 3 and up, Typing Club, and of course, different library resources, such as our wonderful e-book collection. We have 2 types of collections. Our Follett ebooks are more typical print books like you would see in the library, only you can access them on your device. Tumble Books is a wonderful app that allows children to enjoy animated picture books. In addition to offering ebooks, We are pleased that children will be borrowing regularly this year. Every child borrows books on the day that they attend library. Children are asked, of course, to sanitize before they may visit the shelves, and then to keep following the rules of social distancing as they continue to look. Students are allowed to borrow up to 2 books at a time, and books are returned every time the student has library. We do ask that your child return the books he or she has borrowed before they may borrow a new book. A very important part of our library is genrification. We are pleased that we were able to genrify our library this year. What that means is that we have taken our fiction chapter books and assigned each book a genre. We have then placed these books together. So when you look on the shelf, it's very easy to see the type of book by looking at the spine or by looking at the title of the shelf itself. This allows students to ask us to easily locate books about sports or books about animals, mystery books, humor books, silly books. And we've upgraded our computer system so that it will now tell students where it can find the book on the shelf. And if the student's interested in finding other books like it, we have featured collections that will give students a list of books. I know there was a lot of information contained in this presentation. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me or to reach out by phone. If you need further assistance with your child's device, please visit the district's webpage and submit a request either for support or for the device itself. Thank you so much for joining me for this presentation. I am so pleased to be part of this wonderful community of learners and readers. Your support has been invaluable, and we look forward to a wonderful school year.